Hello, good morning everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Febri Uniboru Barat. I am from Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Lancang Kuning University, 6th semester, and in this video I want to say thank you for my supervisor, Mr. M. Fadli Fahri Abbas, SPD, MPD. And in this video also I'm going to present my research proposal. The title is The Use of Application to Improve Students' Speaking Ability in Learning Process at the 6th semester Students of English Education Department in Lancang Kuning University. In this research proposal, I have 3 chapters. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, the review of related literature. And Chapter 3, research methodology. For the Chapter 1, Introduction, have 6 points. Point 1, background of the research. Point 2, research questions. Point 3, objective of the research. Point 5, significance of the research. Point 4, scope and limit. And the last, definition of key terms. For the Chapter 2, the review of related literature, I have 2 points. Point 1, review of related theories, and point 2, preface research. For the Chapter 3, research methodology, I have 5 or 6 points. Point 1, approach and research design. Point 2, setting of research. Point 3, data and search data. Point 4, data collection technique. Point 5, research instrument. And the last, point 6, technique of data analysis. Introduction. English is very useful and important for them when they enter the workforce because now many jobs that use English such as banks, companies, tourism, and other. One of the media for millennial era is a social media from internet. Social media is an online media which the user is easy to use, to participate, to create the content by using blog, social networking, forum, and virtual world. Right now, internet and mobile phone grow fastly, so it makes social media grow fastly also. To access social media can be done wherever and whenever. So, social media changes mass conventional in spreading the online news in current time. Social media is as the tool to help the students learning English in this modern era. Review of related literature. Speaking is probably the language skill that most language learners wish to perfect as soon as possible. It used to be the only language skill that was difficult to practice online. According to Whitdawson, speaking as an intent of use, therefore is a part of reciprocal reciprocal exchange in which both reception and production play a part, which involves both receptive and productive participation. Many features which can be given from application. Besides that, application has feature games to make the users be more interested. Then they can discussion with another users of Hello English to studying English, especially speaking. Research method. For the first step, this research is qualitative descriptive as explored information in order to understand about social media as a tool to improve students' speaking ability in teaching process the viewpoint of students. This research will be conducted in Lancang Kuning University. For the second step, the data that will be used in this study for this first research question is how students apply the use of application in learning English. For the second research question is the data are the advantages of using application in learning English. Third step, in order to collect the data, the researchers uses some instruments. The researchers follows the theory of Creswell to conduct the qualitative method research in this research. All of those instruments are described as follows: observations, checklist, and interview guideline. For the last step, there are three strategies to analyzing the data. They are data collection, data reduction, and data display. Okay, everybody, that's all from me. Thank you and see you.